Let's make besan waffle at home. 2 tablespoon besan, some salt, ajwain, haldi, miri lal mirch, some kasuri methi, a teaspoon of wheat flour, a teaspoon of oil, so very little water. The batter should be thick. Add some onions, some capsicum, some grated carrot. Mix it nicely. Little water if required. So the batter has to be thick. Now take the waffle maker, spread the besan pancake on it. So let it cook for 1 minute like this only. Now close the waffle maker और इसको 5 से 10 मिनट इसको कुक करें till it turns golden brown on the top. Besan waffle pancake is ready, guys.